Imagine a world where financial transactions are not restricted by borders, a world where your money is protected against inflation. This is not a distant reality, but the world of cryptocurrency. In this digital realm, your financial power is not dictated by banks or governments, but by you, thanks to the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. These digital assets offer a level of security that traditional banking systems struggle to match, with complex cryptographic techniques keeping your transactions secure and anonymous. But the real allure of cryptocurrency lies in its potential for high returns on investment. With the right knowledge and timing, you could see your digital coins multiply in value. However, to reap these potential rewards, you need to understand how to navigate the cryptocurrency market. And that includes learning how to buy and sell cryptocurrency efficiently and safely. Now that you've seen the potential of cryptocurrency, let's delve into how you can get started with buying and selling. The first step to buy or sell cryptocurrency is to understand what a cryptocurrency exchange is. Picture a digital marketplace for cryptocurrencies, a place where you can buy, sell, or exchange digital currencies for other digital or traditional currencies, like US dollars or euros. That's what a cryptocurrency exchange is. There are two main types of exchanges, centralized and decentralized. Centralized exchanges, controlled by a single authority, often offer a more user-friendly interface and better customer support. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, allow peer-to-peer trades, providing more privacy, but may be a bit more difficult to navigate for beginners. The exchange you choose to work with can make or break your cryptocurrency experience. It's crucial to choose a reliable exchange, one with a solid reputation, good security measures, and a large user base. Choosing a reliable and suitable exchange is the foundation of your cryptocurrency journey. Now that you have chosen your exchange, it's time to set up an account. The process is typically straightforward and similar across most platforms. Firstly, you'll need to register. This usually involves providing an email address and creating a password. Make sure to use a strong password that's unique to this account. Next, you'll be asked to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud. You'll likely need to provide a form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport, and sometimes a proof of address. Lastly, it's highly recommended to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. With 2FA, you'll need to provide a second piece of information, like a code sent to your phone, each time you log in. Remember, these steps are crucial to keeping your investments secure. With your account set up, you're one step closer to buying and selling cryptocurrency. Armed with your new account, you're ready to make your first purchase. Here's how you can buy your first cryptocurrency. First, you need to deposit funds into your account. This is typically done by linking your bank account, credit, or debit card to your cryptocurrency exchange account. Some platforms also accept wire transfers or even PayPal. Remember, always ensure that the platform you're using is secure and reputable to avoid any potential scams or fraud. Once you've deposited funds, it's time to search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Most exchanges have a search bar where you can type in the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency. For instance, if you're looking for Bitcoin, you can type Bitcoin or its ticker symbol, BTC. Now, you're ready to place an order. There are two main types of orders you can place: a market order and a limit order. A market order is when you buy the cryptocurrency at its current market price. A limit order, on the other hand, is when you set a specific price at which you want to buy the cryptocurrency. If the market price reaches your set price, your order will be executed. After placing your order, it's time to confirm the transaction. Make sure to double-check all the details, including the type of cryptocurrency, the number of units you're buying, and the total cost. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Confirm or Buy button. It may take a few minutes for your transaction to process, depending on the exchange and the network congestion. Once it's done, you'll see the cryptocurrency in your account. Keep in mind that transaction fees may apply, and these can vary between exchanges. So there you have it. You've navigated the process of buying cryptocurrency. It might seem a bit complex at first, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Always remember to stay safe online and only invest what you can afford to lose. Congratulations, you've bought your first cryptocurrency. After buying cryptocurrency, the next step is knowing how to sell it. Becoming a seasoned trader isn't just about buying low and watching your investment grow, but also knowing when and how to cash out. The first step is to select the cryptocurrency you've decided to sell. This could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin you've invested in. Then you decide on the amount you want to sell. This could be all of your holdings or just a portion, depending on your investment strategy and the current market conditions. The next step is to place a sell order. This is done through the trading platform on your chosen cryptocurrency exchange. You'll specify the amount you're selling and the price you're willing to accept. Once you've reviewed the details, you confirm the transaction. And there you have it. Now you know how to sell cryptocurrency. You are now equipped to navigate the world of cryptocurrency. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap and go over some safety tips. In terms of buying and selling cryptocurrency, the process is relatively straightforward. First, understand the potential of cryptocurrency and how cryptocurrency exchanges function. Then set up an account on a chosen exchange. Once you're all set up, you can proceed to buy your chosen cryptocurrency. When you're ready, you can sell it, hopefully at a profit. Now let's shift gears to safety. Securing your investments is paramount. Start by setting up two-factor authentication for your account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regularly updating your software is another crucial step. Updated software contains the latest security patches and offers better protection. Finally, never share sensitive information like your password or private key. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's essential to stay safe and secure. Happy trading!